Abusive police. Hey, what's going on, boss? You skinned your elbow a little bit over here, it looks like. There's a fight right here.
At May 2026, at location State of Illinois, United States. Event, domestic disturbance investigation and arrest. Legal focus, Fourth Amendment probable cause, Fifth Amendment rights, and primary aggressor statutes.
Statutes police. Hey, what's going on, boss? Yeah, just stay here with me. Stay right there. Just I need you to stay right here, okay? Okay, just stay right here. Keep this door open for me, okay? Keep this door open for me.
That's fine.
All right, boss. We're gonna stay right here, okay? Just stay here. Okay, we're gonna get everything figured out. All right, just stay right there for me. Okay. I'm waiting for my partner to get here. He'll come up. He'll talk with you, okay?
That's fine.
Can you just stay with her, please? Hello. Alrighty, boss. We're gonna take a walk downstairs, okay? That way we're a little bit further away. All right? Come with me.
What's going on here today?
Hey,
What's going on?
the police came at the door.
Slow down with him. All right, what's your name?
My name is Taylor.
Taylor?
Yes,
Okay, Taylor, what's your last name? Why are the police being called here today?
because we had an argument.
Anything physical happen?
We
Anything?
had an argument.
Is there going to be any marks on him? Okay. Are there any marks on you?
No.
Okay. Is this your apartment?
This our apartment.
You both live together?
Yes.
Okay. Boyfriend, girlfriend?
Yes.
Any children together?
No.
You ever been married to him?
No.
Okay. Just give me an idea of what happened.
We got into an argument. And it kind of escalated. You guys showed up. I didn't call you.
Okay. There's somebody in the building because they heard what was going on. You guys put hands on each other? If you did, how?
Well, I don't want to say too much. I don't want to be trouble.
Okay. That's fair. How long you two been together?
For a half year.
4.5 years?
Almost. No, one. No, almost a half year.
Half a year.
Yes.
Okay.
Almost.
Do you need any medical attention?
No, not right now. I'll be right back.
Oh, well, you don't have to leave just yet. What do you need to do?
Use the bathroom.
You need to use the bathroom? Okay. Okay. 10-4. Just give me 1 minute before you go do that. Sorry, that's just, I don't know what's going on just yet, so.
He's on top of me. He's on top of me. I was just trying to get him off of me.
Okay. What else happened? What was the argument about? About your crib? About a girl? Girl he's seeing? Another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Are you pregnant at all? Okay. Right. So no kids together, never been married, you both live here.
I just got asthma.
Just asthma? Okay. You don't need an ambulance for anything?
That's it.
What's the mark though then on your arm? Right here on your hand. Anything else? Did you do anything to your hair? Okay. Alright, just give me 1 second, I gotta have another officer come talk to you. You do anything to defend yourself? Did you do anything to him? Because I know you said he was on top of you. How did you get him off? If you did. Or if you didn't, it's alright, but where'd all this happen at? Was it in the apartment?
Yeah.
Were you guys anywhere else inside the complex here?
No.
No, just everything was in here. Let's say, for example, right now we were to just leave. Like, let's say, what would happen, do you think?
Hey, we were to leave?
No. Like, let's say right now, hypothetically, that's not what's going to happen. I'm just saying, because I want to get an idea, at least in your mind, your thoughts. Right now, the police, us. You two were still here. We just walked away.
We were actually leaving out the door when you guys were coming.
Okay. Well, I guess where I'm trying to get at is, would anything violence-related continue?
I'm calm.
Would you guys be arguing more, fighting more?
I'm calm. It'll probably be argument later, but now I'm calm.
Have we ever been here before, between you both?
It was argument.
Yeah, okay. All right. I'm not familiar with either of you. I don't think I've ever met you, so I don't know both your guys' stories. So.
Alrighty, ma'am. So I'm sure you've already told him everything that happened here today. Do you mind just going through it again with me? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Who's that mark?
You got something on you?
It's just a few.
Okay.
I'm doing
So-
shit.
So what happened today?
So, the guys are arguing
Yeah?
because of the girl on his phone.
Okay.
He got physical and
Physical how? How do you get physical?
he's holding me down and things, and so I was just trying to get him off of me.
I'm sorry, you gotta
He
speak
was
up for
holding me
me.
down and trying to get him off of me.
Okay.
And then,
Where was he holding you down at?
he's right here.
Like right here in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's holding you down.
He's right
Did
here.
you manage to escape from that or
Yeah, we were on our way out the door
when we got here?
yes.
Basically what's going on is he's cheating. He's got another girl on his phone.
Yeah, he was cheating and I found it. Or
You found it? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you confront him about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
And then what happened from there? Just
And then, we got into an argument. That's it.
you got into an argument? Okay.
And the person was like holding me down.
He what?
I said I pushed him and he started holding me down.
So you pushed him and then he tried holding you down.
And then he got physical. I don't want to get in trouble though. He got physical.
Okay.
I tried to get him off of me. I got him hit him.
You headbutted him?
He was,
Because he was holding you?
yeah.
Okay. Was he holding you from behind or from the front?
It both because I was pissed.
It was kind of like a
I was
toss-up?
trying to, yes, I was trying to get out.
Okay, 'cause he's also got some marks on him too, like some
Yeah.
scratches and stuff like
Like
that.
I was
where-
trying to get out.
That's what you're trying to get up from him being on you? Okay. Okay. Do you have any marks or anything like that on you by chance? I know you got, I see that on your hand right there. This one on your right hand.
My elbow hurt.
Your elbow's hurt? Yeah, you skinned your elbow a little bit over here, it looks like.
There's a bite right here.
So there's a bite?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see a little bit of. Did he bite you while you were on the ground? Bruise on your leg? Okay.
I said I'm like this.
Hmm?
I'm like this.
You're.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. Well, time to throw these away then. So you're on the ground on your stomach, I'm gonna guess, if your hands are behind you like that.
And I was trying to get up.
You're trying to get up, so you threw your head back and you headbutted him a little bit. And that got him off you, kinda, and then you guys started switching up.
I wasn't switching, I was talking, I was switching.
Okay, well here, real quick, do you mind if I take a picture of your hand? Listen, I'm gonna have to
I don't wanna get him in trouble.
I know, but I have to document everything anyways.
I don't want to get him in trouble.
The thing is, I've already taken pictures of the stuff on him. Okay? So I need to take the pictures of the stuff on you too. Okay? Listen, this is gonna be documented no matter what. I just need to have the pictures of everything that's on each other. Okay? And is that the little marks right there? Or is that yeah? So that right there, is that just like a,
That's old.
that's old?
That's
Okay.
old.
And then yeah, do you mind if I see the, okay. And then do you mind if I see your elbow real quick? This elbow real quick. Yep, perfect.
What's on my elbow?
Looks like you have just like some scraped skin. Yeah, here, do you mind just turning for me? Keep turning, just that way I can take a picture of the side. Okay, so basically, I'm just gonna run through this one more time. What happened today is you find out that he's cheating on you by his phone. Did you ask him for his phone and all that? Yeah. So then you got the phone from him. From there, you guys start arguing, and the argument escalates to him holding you down. And then while you guys are kind of scuffling on the ground, he gets the little scrapes on his arms. He did say that you did headbutt him, so that's the tooth, right? Okay, but you
This
said that
one
he's...
was already chipped.
Well, this one was, yeah. He's got another chip now on the side tooth, this one over here. It's got that one. This is all happening right here on the ground, right? All right here. And during that, you get your elbows scraped up, you get bruised on your leg, you cut your hand a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you bite him at all by any chance? Yeah, you bit him too? Where'd you bite him at? You don't know, but he bit you on the shoulder? Okay. Here, just sit tight for me, okay? Okay. So he's got marks. He's got marks. He's
What are your thoughts? So here. This is someone has to go.
Second 342, that's up.
I mean, all I saw in her was sort of. Yeah, that's what she's got to go. I will toward her. Yeah. Just because of just a situation. You know, I can get where her angle could go. If she's going to sit on the phone with him, you know, I can see it. I can see her like exploding. So here's the other thing. From her story, with what I'm seeing here, is not as consistent as his, at least in my opinion. So I think he's more truthful than she is. So I would think she would be the aggressor. That's my choice.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna skim something real quick.
Okay.
Guy with your son.
Thank you. I'm just gonna talk to folks.
For sure.
95th and Brand,
Hey, how's it
Edward
going,
George, 70462.
Mouse or answer, by the way. What's your name?
I'm sure. I'm Taylor.
Oh, okay, Taylor. So what's going on today?
We got into an argument. A little girl, he was cheating.
2700, 10-7 at the station.
Yeah. Okay. So you went through his phone. You woke him up because you caught him cheating.
And I had to wake him up so he can get the face out of me.
Ah, I gotcha. Okay. So his phone was locked. You weren't even on his phone. You're like, hey, wake up.
Yeah.
Show, open it up for me. I want to see something. And that's when it kind of went, okay, back and forth. And he was like, no, I'm not opening it up for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it, and he did. Because that's how I seen the messages.
Okay, then he opened it. So he willingly gave you the phone? Okay. That's how you read the messages. Okay. Now, who initiated what first? Did you...
He tried to grab the phone from me.
He tried to grab the phone from you after you caught him cheating. And then when he tried to grab his phone, and that's when...
Another report for
He was holding me things, and then I said the phone.
Gotcha. Okay. Does this happen often between both of you guys?
Right.
Excuse me?
Us arguing or us fighting?
Just in general.
Us arguing every so often. Well, yes.
Fighting. This is like the first time you guys actually gets physical like this? Okay. Now, let's say that, like, I know you said you stay here, or you live here with him. Hypothetically, let's say we leave. Do you feel like you guys are going to be okay with that, or do you guys think you guys are going to continue fighting?
What the hell is that? What is that? The speaker? Okay. Alright, so it looks like you guys obviously need some time alone. Separation. Did you drive here at all?
He did.
You drove?
No, he had a car. No.
Did you do like Uber then?
No.
How do you get around then?
I don't drive. So I said he has a car.
So he normally drives you?
Yeah, he has a
Okay.
car.
Where are you staying at now, besides you?
I live here. I've been living here since the first of last night.
Okay, so this is you don't stay nowhere else?
No.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, law enforcement may briefly detain individuals to investigate reasonable suspicion of a crime. Yet during this preliminary investigatory phases, individuals are not considered to be under custodial interrogation. Consequently, Miranda warnings are not legally required for voluntary statements to be admissible in court. Illinois Criminal Code 720 ILCS 512.3.2 strictly defines the elements of domestic battery. The statute explicitly criminalizes intentionally making physical contact of an insulting or provoking nature with a household member. Verbal provocation, including the discovery of infidelity, does not provide legal justification for physical violence. When encountering mutual injuries, the Illinois Domestic Violence Act 750 ILCS 63.4 dictates police procedure. Officers are statutorily directed to identify and arrest the primary aggressor to prevent further escalation. The determination relies on the totality of the circumstances test established by the Supreme Court in Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Law enforcement must objectively weigh the relative severity of injuries, the threat level, and any admissions of initiating force. Admitting to initiating physical contact immediately establishes the probable cause required for a warrantless arrest. Such voluntary admissions legally negate claims of self-defense, shifting statutory culpability entirely to the speaker.
Alrighty, ma'am. So I talked to him. I took the pictures of his injuries like I did yours. Okay. In the state of Illinois, when there is sign of domestic battery, okay, and we can identify an aggressor, they unfortunately do have to be brought into custody. Okay. So what I want you to do right now is take the purse off your shoulder. Okay. Go ahead and turn around for me. Can you put your hands behind your back? Right now you're being placed into custody for domestic battery, okay?
Taylor, do you need anything, clothes or anything
Yeah.
from the apartment?
I mean,
Would you like me to bring your purse to the police department?
can I get can you get my wallet out of there?
Just your wallet out of the purse?
I mean, I don't need nothing else.
You don't need nothing else?
Oh.
What about, like, do you have a phone or
Can I
anything
get
like
my
that?
phone real quick?
I can get your phone, yeah.
Okay.
We'll get it for you, but we're gonna take you out,
Can
okay?
you take me to go and get it? Because I really can. Is that fine?
Yeah. Yeah, just tell me where it is and then we'll have an officer go and grab it.
That's the right there. You see?
Which
on
one?
the bed, the black phone?
The black phone on the charger?
Yeah, that's where I was.
Okay. Do you mind taking her wallet out of her purse?
It's okay.
You don't.
Take the whole thing?
We can just take the whole thing. All you gotta do is come back to the police department and just grab that.
I don't need it.
You want to leave it here then?
I don't want to have to come back to you and grab it.
Just the phone then.
I could take that with me.
So with the phone,
Yes,
you
sir.
do have to come back to the police department after court tomorrow to come get that, okay? Just so you know. But if you have any phone numbers, we can write them down on your arm with like a Sharpie or something.
So wait, say it again.
So your phone, we'll let you take it to the police department. But when you go to court tomorrow, okay, you can't bring your phone to court.
Right.
So what we can do is we can give you a chance to write some phone numbers down.
After court, I can get my phone.
After court, you can get your phone, yes. Okay. We're gonna walk this way. We're gonna go around the building, and I'll bring you to my car, okay?
But I wasn't the aggressor though.
I'll explain everything to you when we get to the police department, okay?
Okay. He was holding me down.
Like I said, we'll explain everything at the police department.
Okay.
Okay. Just. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's 2B. Is- Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna pat you down. Okay. Okay. All right, go ahead and take a step up into the squad for me.
So he'll take the address here. It's 2C, sorry.
All right. Take the seatbelt off you. Okay. Okay, go ahead and take a step out for me. Just watch the door. Okay, we're gonna walk to this door right here. Just take one more step.
30 and 29, which is a subject.
That. Fifth Amendment, a right against self-incrimination, applies once long before formal handcuffs are applied. Volunteering timeline details and admitting to strikes during a Terry stop provides police with the exact probable cause needed. Lesson 2. Physical escalation of a verbal dispute completely nullifies the aggressor's legal standing as a victim. The justice system strictly differentiates between moral grievances such as cheating and statutory criminal acts like battery. Lesson 3. Confirming cohabitation immediately triggers enhanced domestic violence protocols under state law. This removes officer discretion regarding mutual combat, dismissals, and mandates strict enforcement of primary aggressor policies. Invoking the right to remain silent and requesting legal counsel is the only definitive procedural safeguard during field investigations.